my channel. As you can see, we have a helper today. This is my son Lamar, and today we don't mind passing, but today we're going to be making some dairy-free lemon blueberry muffins. Okay, my son has a very bad dairy allergy, and everything we're going to be making on this channel with him pretty much going to be dairy free. So if you have any kids or any family members with dairy allergies and you want to know some recipes, definitely follow along for any future recipes that we make together. Alright guys? Alright. So here we're going to get started. Okay, so we have, you ready to start mixing? And not play with the bowl? If you can tell, I'm using a plastic bowl this time. This bowl is actually my great-grandmother's. It was given to she gave it to my mom, and my mom didn't give it to me, but I like the bowl, so I took it from her cabinet. Okay, and I'm gonna make it with my son. Where'd you going? We're gonna make these muffins. Turn back around, baby. So,
oh no,
we're gonna first. What are you doing? You want the bowl that bad? And you're gonna drop it, I bet you. What's the matter? Okay, so he's gonna eat the bowl. To start with, yes. You want your papa? Okay, so we're gonna start with some sugar, and I have some lemon zest in here. Okay, we're gonna add that right into the bowl. I have some canola oil, which we're gonna add right in. We're also gonna add in our egg, just one egg, guys, for this recipe. And this recipe is gonna make about 6 muffins. Lamar, you okay? You okay? You wanna help me? You wanna help me? So, we gotta mix it, mix. 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 The ball is running. It's running. Alright guys, we got that mixed up. Give me that. You don't need it. You gonna hold this? You gonna hold that for me? Yeah, you gonna hold that for me. So we have that mixed up. I have some lemon juice right here, which I'm gonna add about 2.5 tablespoons of lemon juice. Guys, just gonna mix that as well. I have flour, baking soda, salt, and baking powder in here. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm only gonna add a little bit. I'm gonna reserve about a tablespoon or 2 inside of there, just to cover the blueberries. Now, quick tip. You wanna mix? You wanna mix with me? Quick tip though, if you do end up covering your blueberries with the flour, before you put it in the batter, guys, what it's actually gonna do, you looking at the batter? You looking at it? What it's gonna do is it's gonna prevent the blueberries from sticking to the bottom. So you'll have some at the top as well. What are you doing? So you'll have some at the top as well, all right? Yeah. Okay, and as you can see, it's just a little crumbly. No, you can't eat the crumbled. It got an egg in there. All right. Now I have, yeah. I'm gonna need that. I'm gonna need that. Can I get it? Can I have it? I guess I can't have it. We have, this is Silk Vanilla Dairy Free Yogurt. So I'm gonna add this in there. Don't mind the yelling. Yes. Okay. Can I have it? Yeah. Yeah, let me use it real quick. So I can just scrape everything out. You gonna try a little bit? What it tastes like? It tastes good? It's vanilla flavored. Dada. So, we got that in there. And I'm actually gonna clean my whisk off. Baby boy, it's not done yet. Okay, and we're gonna move to our spatula. Right? You got it all over your hands. So I have that in there, and then the last step, we could do this part, okay, with our hands. I have that little bit of flour that I was talking about, and those blueberries. I'm just gonna add it in there, and with your hands, you can just mix it right up. And you just want it to be generously coated. Right? And we're gonna dump it right in there. Now, if all that flour isn't coated onto the blueberries, that's fine. Because we're just folding the rest of the ingredients in, and while we're folding it in, it's going to get incorporated. I didn't even notice his face looked like that. So we're folding that in. And guys, there's, tastes good. It tastes good. Yeah. 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 So now we're gonna get our muffin pan, which I have right here. It's already pre-lined. Okay. We're gonna grab some dough, and I like to use an ice cream scoop. We're just gonna scoop it right in. This is gonna make about 6 muffins, 6 or 7, depending on how big you like them. The muffins I make are kind of big. Okay, so I got about, I'm gonna scrape this last bit out. I got about 7 muffins in there. That's good. So, we're getting messy. So, we're messy. No, you can't eat these. We're gonna eat these when they finish. Okay. So, yeah. So, we're gonna put these in the oven at 370. Yeah. We're gonna put them in the oven at 375 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure you check it depending on how hot your oven gets. And in about 15 to 20 minutes, we're gonna come back, take them out, and have a nice test. Yeah. Tell them we'll be back.
A few minutes later.
Alright guys, so we're back. And as you can see, our muffins came out the oven. Baby boy is anxious to eat because he keeps pulling on me and he's hungry. So let's not make it wait any longer, right? Okay, so I did dust these with a little bit of powdered sugar. I didn't put much sugar in these muffins at all. Again, they are breakfast muffins, so they don't need sugar. It's not like they're a cupcake, okay? Which one do you want? Which one do you want? Why you got your passy in your mouth like that? Which one do you want, Lamar? We're gonna go with the small one. Okay, no, because this one got more blueberries. You see it dripping out the side? So this is the one we're gonna go with, okay, to try. You ready to try it? Drop the passy out your mouth. You ready? Okay, so we're gonna try a piece. Wanna try? Ow, my finger. How it tastes? So the blueberries taste real good. You can tell they're fresh. Oh my God, you can tell they're fresh. Want that piece? So I'm gonna stop hand feeding him and we're gonna end up devouring this. We'll see you next time for the next video, guys. Bye. Say bye-bye.